Welcome back, fellas, to this new video of TechExpress. If you're still just to use Gemini for chat, you have missing 90% of the power. So I'm going to be showing you how to get started with the Google AI Studio. Now, the first thing is to talk a little bit more about the interface and the model selection. The sidebar has changed. Now you have three core individuals. You have the chat, you have the build, you have the streamed element, and the dashboard. Now, always check your model. Usually Gemini 3 Pro is your reasoning engine for the complex code, while the 3.1 Flash is better quick for images analysis and high-speed animations. So highlight the token context windows that usually appears directly inside here. You can create an API here, you name your key, and you create your first project. Let's say, for example, this is going to be TechExpress videos, right? So I hit a little bit back like this, I create my project, there you go. Don't forget the context windows. You can drop an entire 500-page PDF or a 2-hour video file here, and the AI will watch or read the whole thing instantly. So I will be generating that for an API key. Now let's talk a little bit more about the vibe coding in the build mode. When you hit into the build mode, this is where the magic happens. We are going to build a fitness tracker app from scratch, for example. So hit for enter, enter, and enter. And what you can do is to, let's say, build a fitness tracker app. Now, we can type the prompt, build a React application, to make this process a little bit more important. For example, build a React application that what I can do is to go for tracks my daily protein and water and save the data to a local dashboard. This is exactly what I want to be focusing on. This is vibe coding, because I am not writing lines of code. I'm just describing the vibe on the actual function. Now, the anti-gravity agent automatically adding some Firebase databases. Noticed that the anti-gravity agent at the bottom is just realizing my application needs a database and automatically provisioned Firebase for me. So there's no model setup required directly inside here, right? Something else is the multimedia and the agentic division. The AI Studio, for example, isn't just for text. With the agent vision, the model now explores images instead of just looking at them. It scans the handwriting, for example, which in my case, for example, let's go for, once again, Google AI Studio. I'm going to open these once again, and the new prompting, for example, is convert this whiteboard brainstorm into a structured Trello style board in my app, for example. And what you can do is to add an actual image, which is in this case adding an actual image, right? So this brainstorm idea that you currently have, for example, is going to be now applied into a new structured media So if you need real-time data like current stock prices, for example, flip the search grounding toggle, which appears into the upper side, and this prevents the AI to hallucination all information. And lastly, the export the API keys, right? So as you can see here, for example, my actual application where I have now the protein here is the actual water, and what I can do is to change, for example, the stats. The protein goal, in my case, for example, is 300, and the water goal, let's go for 3 milliliters. So I think that actually works for me. There we go. So as you can see here, it actually works, and actually it does a really great tracking element, right? So I think this actually works for me. So what you can do is now to look out for the option that says published, and you can set up your actual billing in order for making this application actually happen. So once you're happy with the vibe, you can click the option to get the actual coding. You can export this to Python, to Node, or get a Next framework to run this into your own project. You want to grab your API key here, and the free trial for the Gemini 3 Flash is generous, about 15 requests, I believe, per minute, so which is perfect for the actual testing. So we just went from a blank screen to a functional database-backed application in minutes. If you want to have an actual mastery list onto the system instructions for marketers and devs, you can let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to guys like, share, subscribe to the channel. You want to see more great tools like this. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Have lots of fun with these applications of the Google AI Studio. See you soon.